ContractPodAi offers the latest in generative AI to fuel your legal use cases, contract lifecycle management, and legal intake. Here, we don't just automate tasks, we redefine them, empowering you to be more strategic, identify hidden patterns and risks, and access on-demand guidance that puts you a step ahead. Transform routine legal, procurement, and sales work and reshape your business, reinvent your workflows, and recharge your ROI. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how ContractPodAi CLM can be integrated to SAP Ariba to power your end-to-end procurement processes. At ContractPodAi, we see CLM as being a key part of your end-to-end source-to-pay processes, where post-award contracts may be automatically created and then taken through their end-to-end lifecycle, taken through review, negotiation, collaboration, approval, and through to electronic signature, with updated status information and final signed documents being passed back into Ariba. Starting within SAP Ariba, post-award, a contract workspace is created. This will be automatically populated with award information. That will include the name of this particular contract workspace. Indicate that this is not a test project. This is a master agreement that we'll be creating. Indeed, a master services agreement in this case. The supplier will have been picked for me automatically. And we can specify amounts for the contract, the contracted amount and any proposed contracted amount. And we can also select any commodities that will be included as part of this master agreement, as well as information such as the region for this agreement and any departments. I can specify specific dates against this agreement as well. And finally, I can indicate that the contract itself will be created using a template managed and stored within ContractPodAi. Now that the workspace has been created, via our integration, a request will be sent automatically to the ContractPodAi CLM platform to create the first version of that contract. And once the contract is created within the ContractPodAi CLM platform, the contract workspace within Ariba is automatically updated with the status of that contract and a link back into that contract within the platform. Within the ContractPodAi CLM platform, I can see detailed information around this contract, and this is the information that has been passed across via the integration, and I can see exactly where this contract is within its life cycle. And from here, I can also preview the contract that's been generated, and I can drive it through its end-to-end life cycle all the way through to it being signed electronically. After completing the information necessary, I can send this contract directly to the electronic signing platform for signature. In the signing platform, I can go ahead, sign the contract, and complete the signing process. Returning to the ContractPodAi CLM platform, I'll be notified when that contract has now been signed. Now the contract has been signed, I can can see within the details page of this contract that it's now active. And returning to Ariba, again, I can see this is now an active contract. And within documents, I have access to the final signed PDF version of the contract. So from the perspective of a procurement person, remaining within Ariba, I can request the creation of a contract. That contract is then taken through its end-to-end lifecycle within ContractPodAi CLM, and status updates and final versions of contracts delivered back to Ariba without the procurement person having to leave that platform.